Yan mga inday, baduday. Tingnan nyo naman ang mga pananim, oh. Yan, ang gaganda, oh. Yan. Ang ganda, oh. Yan, oh. Wow. Ganda, oh. Ito, oh. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Wow. Yan. Oh. Super. Ang laki talaga ng lugar na ito mga baduday. Puro flea market. Diyan lahat. Mabibili mo dito lahat. Anong man bagay. Tingnan mo. Super, super. Yan, oh. Super laki yan. Lahat. Tingnan doon. Iba-iba. What are you looking for?
Hey, you from Nebraska? Where at? Fairbury. Fairbury? I'm from up here in Broken Bow. Way up there in Ansley. Got one of these on our woodbill. Yeah. Yeah, see, you got the ribs and stuff.
Mga old thing, oh. Maybe we can find a hook in it.
Find a screw.
Find a screw. You know. There's nothing in here. Like oh, maybe this will go
No.
inside. Oh, you
Oh,
think?
I see what you mean.
You can just
Oh
put
yeah,
it in.
maybe. Scott
Hey, I
would
haven't
know.
seen one of these for a long time either. That's what we need on our pig farm, babe.
Huh?
Need one of these for our pig farm.
What's that?
Sorry about that.
Yeah. This one. Oh, this will serve. You think?
That's a pig oiler. Pigs get up there and rub on it.
What's that?
Pigs will rub on it. It's a pig oiler.
Oh, I see. My God. Look at that. Ang dami talagang tao dito, oh. Mga baduday. Dami yan.